What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1971 Chevy Malibu, fresh arrival, powered by a 350 3-speed automatic transmission, upgraded wheel package. Tires are in good shape, phantom blue, white stripes. We're gonna go through this puppy, so get dressed, grab some popcorn, and take a few minutes with me so I could show you exactly what you're getting before you get it home. What a great stance. These are getting harder and harder to find because this is all original panels, and we're going to go through that. I'm going to show y'all just nice stance. Look at that. Straight. Paint is in okay shape, not bad. Good driver. Real clean underneath the engine. All your hoses are done. Belts are good, freshly tuned up, power steering car. Was an air-conditioned car at one point, so that's still in there. Compressor seems to be missing. Heat is hooked up. Nice car. Just got done driving this baby. It's a pleasure to drive. There's no story. Just a good driving, solid car. Nice painted on stripes. Chrome bumper, original. All your lights are working. All your badging's fine. Turn signals are working, as well as the wipers. Front fender's in good shape. Look at that set of wheels, nice. Lines up great. Door's in good shape and lines up good to the quarter panel. All your glass around the car is in good shape. No stories on any of it. Most of it's original the way it looks to me. Your rear quarter is original as well. No paint flaws. You can see right here, folks. Original stamps are on there. All original trunk lid. Does have a spare tire and a jack. And trunk is in great shape. Painted on stripes on the back, and it lines up great. Both quarters are original. Rear bumper looks original. Still has a great shine to the chrome. Little stuff here like this, but being original, you're gonna get some of that. Do a little cleaning up and stuff. Passenger quarters in good shape with no paint flaws and lines up well to the door, all the way through to the fender. Nice car. Little just dirt and a little chip on the bottom here, folks. All your badging's good. Roof line is good. Paint shines great. Bench seat, no cracks on the dash. Headliner in good shape. Rear tray in good shape. It's a nice car. All your belts are intact. Door panels are good. Clean. It's an original car. Phantom blue, great color. Great color, folks. Go around the other side, look at the door panel there. Clean. Nice. Original sticker still on there. Check this out. Original weld. Someone's gonna be getting a nice car. This thing's not gonna last long, especially what we've got it priced at, folks. 95,548 miles are on the vehicle. Like I said, the dash is good. Still has the lighter in there, original radio. Wipers are working. Horn is working. All your weather stripping's good. You do have a rip I just saw in your headliner here. Let me pull back a little bit. Nothing major, but there is a little rip in there. And there's one on the other side as well, folks. Headliners are easy to replace. A few little things you'll have to do, but that's it. Oh, look, I won't even give it gas. Let's see. That's a car that's been taken care of. Great stance. Like I said, I just got done driving. It brakes well, handles good, steering's good, nice and tight. Shifts well all the way through. Just a nice running car. Good driver. Sounds good. Just clean. If anybody's looking to do any financing and you have a credit score of anywhere from a 640 to a 735, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the app. Minimum down payment of 10% or more. Will go as far as 84 months. If you're a 750 and above, please go to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. 84 months, great rates, up to 84 months. Approvals within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, descriptions, pictures, and video are online. So if you have any questions on any of that or any ideas on wanting to get some quotes on shipping anywhere in the United States, bonded and insured, open shipping or enclosed, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 and Saturday from 10 until 2, all by appointment only. You can call me or text me and I will get you in at 773-600-0919. Thank you for spending some time with me on this 71 Malibu. Real nice car. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends. Like us on Facebook. Hope you enjoyed your time with me. Have a good day, everybody.